everyone. Join us today as we ride 263 miles or 420 kilometers north on Highway 395 from Lone Pine, California to Reno, Nevada. Welcome back to day 11 of our trip. Today's route is quite simple. We left the hotel and took US Route 395 north and followed this for the rest of the day. Today's trip is going to follow the Sierra Nevada mountain range for the whole duration. We'll get to see them on our left for this whole video. The temperatures this morning were much easier to ride in compared to the highs of Death Valley the day before. Steph even had to keep her vents closed. Another day on the road with blue skies. We did have rain in the forecast, but I tried to time our departure to avoid it. We'll see if I can keep us dry. Our original plan today was to ride north and then head west into Yosemite National Park. Unfortunately, our planned route was still covered with thick snow. I guess we can't see everything in one trip, so we'll have to revisit this area in the future. surprise, it's another day with almost no traffic. A huge bonus to staying off the main interstate systems. Still doing my hand signals. Please stay visible out there. The scenery changed many times during the day, going through the valleys, then into forests, then crossing into mountains. It really shows how fast the terrain changes, as yesterday we were in the middle of the desert. Even with one lane closed due to roadwork, this still didn't slow our progress at all and didn't even impede with the views. valleys also have some nice lakes along the way. Mono Lake, seen here on the right, actually supplies some of the water to the city of Los Angeles via an aqueduct. Still have some snow on the slopes up here in June. It's almost all gone, but you can still see it. We were told the road to Yosemite still had over 8 feet. This is one of the better sections of Route 395, with a beautiful river beside us. These are always pleasant surprises. We always made sure to move over to allow faster vehicles to pass us whenever it was safe to do so. Even if we are going the speed limit, some people just need to get there faster. As we crossed back into Nevada, I could see the rain clouds over the horizon and hoped it would stay dry. Unfortunately, Lake Tahoe is just under those rain clouds, so we decided to carry on Route 395 and go directly to Reno. It's another place to revisit in the future. We made it into Reno and beat the rain. Another dry day. Join us next time as we continue north back into Idaho. See you then.